friends, today we will solve Geeks for Geeks problem difficulty level school. So today's problem is ones complement. So now open this question. Given n bits binary number, find the ones complement of the number. The ones complement of a number is defined as the value obtained by inverting all the bits in the binary representation. The binary number swapping 0 for ones and vice versa. Now see first example. So the first example is n equals to 3. Number of bits are 3, which are 101. So the output is 0 1 0. Here 0 change to 1 change to 0, 0 change to 1 and 1 change to 0. Now see first example. N equals to 2. Number of bits are 2, 1 0. So output is 0 1. 0 change to 1, 1 change to 0. Now first we will solve this question using string builder. So first we will make string builder SB equals to new string builder. New string builder initialized with empty string. Now we use for loop for traversing on the given string. Int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Here we check whether our ith character is s dot char at I equals to 1. Then we will append in string builder sb dot append 0. Otherwise we will append 1. Else we will append sb dot append 1. Now at the end we will return this string builder. Before returning we will should to convert in string because return type is string. So sb to string. Now again compile and run. So the code is successfully compiled and run. Now check all test cases to submit this code. So all the test cases are successfully passed. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe the channel and press bell icon. Thank you.